Hello my friends. In this video tutorial for Fusion Davinci Resolve, we will cover the basics and quick overview of user interface. Also, we will make your first template. So let's get to it. Alright, when Fusion is open, you will get the media out, and when you see the media out, you will know that Fusion is ready. You will get media pool, FX library, clips and nodes. Clips we don't need because we're working only one Fusion composition. FX library is for tools and templates, and media pool is for files that you can drag and drop just like this. We will delete now. Let's start drag and drop background, rectangle, merge, another background, ellipse, and start connecting to the media out. Background to the merge, rectangle to the background, background to the green arrow, and ellipse to the background. And now as you can see, it's look quite messy. So all you have to do is go line up to all tools to the grid and check arrange tools to the grid. This will snap the tool to the grid and make it much nicer. And click on this background here, change the color to the random color, red, and this one to the blue. And now we get this shape. Let's explain what these arrows mean. Green arrow is for the foreground, yellow arrow is for the background, and blue one is for the mask. Let's delete this because we don't need. We will go in FX library, templates, and I will use my custom nodes that I built already. I will choose the media out. I will choose custom tree and connect to the media out. Now that we have a custom tree, we will ungroup, and this media out we will just drag down to make it more nicer and line up to the grid, ungroup, and you can see this node here. Why I did this? Because the last background connected to the merge and connected to the media out changed the resolution for the whole this composition. To change the media out resolution, all I have to do is adjust this resolution, and I change to 1920. 1920 will be square. If I change the back to 1080, will be 1920 1080 full HD resolution. Everything else is connected to the green arrow here. It doesn't affect the resolution. If I want to have 4K, all I have to do is delete this and connect the media out to 4K. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to the paste, and connect to the media out. And now I have 4K resolution. Boom. Ungroup. I don't like it. I only have to do is change the resolution. Change the resolution again. 1920 1080, and I get the resolution of full HD. Background go inside the merge, and this last merge go inside the media out. And this is how you change the resolution of the whole composition. Everything else, it doesn't affect it. Alright, now I have these merges and backgrounds and whatever. This is how you make the nodes. This is the background for the whole composition. This is not for the affecting resolution. This is the last for the resolution. This one go inside the merge, and this one will be used for the background. So if I have some color random gray, for example, and now if I connect another background here, connect to the merge here, and this background with the ellipse will be circle, and this background will be blue. Okay, now I have blue, and now this background go inside the merge, because this is the background reduced alpha all the way to 0. You can see through the background, and there is nothing here. And when I click on this merge and press number 2 on the keyboard, you will see the circle. This circle go inside the merge here as the background. And then when I click on this merge number 2 on the keyboard, it will display this background, because this background is on foreground. All you have to do is click on Control T, and immediately it will swap the background and the foreground, and now this background is the background for the whole composition. Alright, now that we know how to change the resolution and foreground and the background, let's talk about these elements. Let's copy this first and make it few copies, and this will be connection points here for the few elements. Alright, this one we will change to green, we will change this one to yellow, and this one will be gray. Now connect all this to the connection points, just like this. And what we have here, as you can see, again, green arrow is for the foreground and yellow arrow is for the background, and everything that is made before this and before this will be underneath. So this one will be under this one. So if we take this one and, for example, change the size a little bit, change the size to 0.75, and look at this one is green, look, is under this one. So, and this one is the yellow. And how to see the yellow circle? Well, all you have to do, go inside this merge and change the size or angle, or you can move it, like this, as you can see. And now this one is revealed. So if you want something in the middle between this green one and the yellow one, all you have to do is make another one. So take another background, take the rectangle, connect rectangle and the background and the merge, and the rectangle will be here. But if you want to change the color, change the red one, okay, and now you can also move it, change the shape, whatever. As you can see, is between green one and the yellow one. So if you want this one on top everything, just Control X to cut, and here click here to paste, and all you have to do is copy this, paste here, just like this. We will drag this down to make it nicer, and take this connection point to the merge, just like this, and he will automatically make another merge here, and just drag and connect here, and then yellow is here. on top of everything. As you can see here, the gray one, also we can move up and down. Oops. You can drag it here, or you can write something here. Those are the elements. If you want to build something, this is how you do it. Right now, let's delete everything and let's build a template. Alright, starting from the scratch, or hold Control and space. Take the media out, take the merge, connect to the media out, take the background. This background will be used for changing the resolution or the whole composition. So we will change the alpha all the way to 0, resolution, and check out the resolution if you want to change it, and 1920 1080 for 1080p full HD. Take the merge here, connect to the merge, take the background, connect to the merge, and this background is different from this one. This one is used for the changing the resolution of whole composition, and this one is for the background. So I will choose the gradient. First will be dark gray, and next one will be lighter gray, like this. Press number 2 on the media out to see it, and Control G to group, just like this, and number 2 on the keyboard, media out for the renaming, and let's build a tree. Tree will be here with the merge, and background here will be connected to the background, this background, and check the auto resolution and use the 1920 by 1920. Connect to the green arrow here, and this is the beginning of our tree. So this one, just Control C to copy, Control V to the paste, connect like this, and this is the first connection point for our first node. Connect like this, Control V to the paste, and that's it. Just drag it if you want more nicer looking tree, and that's it. And this will be for our elements. Let's build the elements now. This is, as you can see, everything is dark. Why? Because we didn't change the alpha. All this need to change the alpha all the way to 0. Just like this. And now we see the background. As explained before, this one will be used for the rotation, for the size and movement. And now let's build our first element. Take this background, Control C, Control V, connect to the merge here, take the rectangle, connect to the background, click on the rectangle, and height all the way to 1, width to 0.15, and now we can click here in this merge and press number 2 on the keyboard, and now we will see the whole element. In this merge here, we will move where you want to position, but first we need to change the color for this background to alpha all the way to 1, and I don't know, maybe red, light red, something like this. And if you want to reset, you just click on this circle here and will all the way reset to the standard values. Now if you want to move it, you just move with the X here, and we will move to a 0. Yeah, something like this, 0.008. To make it more nicer, here just hold control and space and search for shadow. Use the shadow. Click on this merge. I forgot to change the resolution. Uncheck auto resolution and use 1920 by 1920. Press on 2 on this merge here. Change the softness of the shadow. Select everything and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to the paste for the other element. All you have to do here now, just reset and just move just like this. And we will move it to 0.15. Okay, now copy and again, paste to another element just like this, and move something like this, a little more. Okay, and paste, copy this and paste for another element, and we will make this one a little larger. On this rectangle, make it wider, 25.25. In this merge, drag it a little bit, something like this, and maybe rotation like that, and Y something like this, maybe 0.4. This one rotate a little bit, something like this, move it a bit, drag it down, and now click on media out and see how it looks. Now if you want to change the color, of course you can, something like this. Another element, change the color, and the first one blue, and this is starting to look okay. This one, Ctrl C to the copy, Ctrl V to for the paste for the another element. Connect like this. Press on this merge, reset, and you can start adding text. We will take the text like this, and we will take my first template. Change the font. All right. Drag this a little bit down more. Copy, paste. Right, just like this. And then text. We will use some gray text, something like this. Make it nicer. And because this one is on top of this one, we will use the white, but we will change the appearance for the border, and we will get a nice border like that. Take the shadow, Control C to copy and press on this on the text, and Control V to the paste, and we'll connect here to the text, and we will change the size 0.5, 0.0005, yeah, something like this, or maybe 1, 0.01, yeah, something like this. Yeah, that's nice. And then here in this text we'll use the glow, Control and space, and use the glow, and use the glow color scale, use the red or green. I think green may be better, yeah, just like this. You can change the scale, you can change the size, glow, something like this. All right, and then as this is a completed template, you can just select everything here and Control G, and this will be one group. And now press F2 for the renaming, and you can write whatever you want. Template, name the number. Okay, and now right click, settings, and save as. And then when you save it, you can just save the setting. This will be the template, and then you can use this template and import inside the Fusion. That's it. Good luck. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.